Hi, Mark from Appmixer here. Previously you learned that variables are placeholders for data coming from previous connected components in your flows that will be eventually replaced with real values once they are available at flow runtime. Sometimes you need to modify the values. For example, you receive a percentage value, but you'd like to store it in a decimal format. For example, 75 becomes 0.75. This is exactly where modifiers excel. Modifiers are a powerful tool to modify variable values, change their format, or even use conditionals and loops to structure the actual output of your variables. It's like applying Excel formulas to your variables, but way simpler. Modifiers can be stacked, meaning that the result of one modifier is an input to another modifier used for the same variable. Now let's dig deeper into what modifiers are by continuing with our previous example. Say we collect a percentage field in a form and pass the data to a Google Sheet. As you can see here, we have more fields in the form. One of them is email, question, and percentage. Once the form gets filled, we want to create a new row in a Google Sheet. We have the spreadsheet, the worksheet, and the column. As you can see here, we use the variable which says percentage. On the way, we want to adjust the percentage from, let's say, 75 to 0.75. To achieve that, you can simply click on the variable and choose the right data modifier. As you can see, the modifiers dialog contains different categories for different types of variable values. In our case, we are interested in the number category and the div modifier that divides our percent variable by another number that we specify. In our case, we will divide the percentage by 100. Now you can press close and see that the variable changed appearance a little bit to tell you that it will be modified at runtime. You can save, continue the flow, and start the flow. Now, when the data is available at flow runtime, it will be automatically modified so that it's saved in the desired format. Now that you've learned how modifiers work, we recommend reading our knowledge base or technical documentation to learn more about all modifiers categories.